To examine colour vision, we use Ishihara plates. The first plate, the number 12 here, you can notice it's different to the other numbers. It's much easier, and it's not a test of colour vision, it's a test of the patient's ability to do the test. So if they can't see this number, there's no point in proceeding with the Ishihara. You test one eye at a time, going through all the numbers until you get to the page where there is no numbers. Like that. And then you stop and you can test the other eye. You score the Ishihara out of the number of plates you've tested and the number of plates that the patient's got correct. Okay, Grace, I'm going to now test your colour vision. We're going to test one eye at a time again. If you could cover up your left eye for me, please.
Okay.
And if you could read the number that you see there.
12, 8, 6, 29, 57, 5, 3, 15, 74, 2, 6, 97, 45, 5, 7, 16, 73. No numbers.
Okay, thank you very much.